Magandang araw. Annyeonghaseyo. Good day. I am Teacher Shirley Alambra, Asia Pacific Teacher Exchange, and GCED alumna from West Fairview Elementary School, Schools Division of Quezon City, Department of Education, Philippines. To all our APCEIU mentors and fellow alumnus, let me share my thoughts in 3 communal terms. First, I strongly believe in the importance of collective positive action, wherein we work hand in hand together for the benefit of mankind. It is a part of our social responsibility to make sure that our little act of goodness towards others makes a total difference. As what our national hero once said, the youth is the hope of our future. Indeed, as an educator, as a parent, and an advocate, there is an interconnecting concept to fulfill these dreams and the aspirations of our future and that of our children's children. Hence, it is not too late. Let us not fail them. Presenting to you Project Care, championing advocate and resilient educators in GCED. Project Care aims to build a collaborative effort among our school stakeholders, which focuses on deepening and localizing global citizenship education in the school and community, on the importance of sustainable development programs in our school and community through integrating global citizenship education in our day-to-day teaching among our learners. Wherein by empowering our public school teachers, we look forward that our learners will generate collective positive ripple effects in the school, in their homes, and in our community. It is also equally important that the teachers will be able to impart in the young minds of our learners the value of human dignity, peace, and understanding the necessity of living together harmoniously amidst all differences. Lastly, it is our utmost duty and responsibility as educators to strengthen and to ensure that more information on sustainable development programs will be introduced to a wider audience wherein learners will become part as active enablers in their school, home, and community. And nothing could go wrong if we start a little positive act of change towards our mankind so that the next young generation may live a better, peaceful world. Once again, thank you and mabuhay!